In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create gaming intro using Vivacut Pro, and here's the results of the gaming intro I created. First, you need to edit your desired logo in Logo Maker. In this application I use to edit logo. You can use any logo maker, but I recommend this one. Let's edit logo. First, type your gaming name, choose your perfect logo for your gaming intro. Remove the background in your logo. And choose a good font. And then save it. Now let's edit in Vivacut Pro, create a new project, and pick the template which you can download, link in the description. And this is the preview of the template we're gonna edit. Follow carefully, pick overlay, and find your logo was created. Extend it until in this position. I'm going to add VFX in this starting position. Find shockwave effects. And choose option shockwave 2. Long press until in this position. And add sway effects, just long press until this position. And the last effects, find glitch 1. Pick glitch 10 effects at the end of the logo. And that's it, you have now a gaming intro. You can render in a best quality intro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.